Tutorial Video 2: Adding LD250 to your mobile robot fleet. Hello! Now that you are done with the initial setup of your Omron mobile robot LD250, our next video will show you how you can add your new robot into your existing fleet of mobile robots. To control a fleet of mobile robots, you will need Omron's Fleet Manager appliance EM2100. The EM2100 can automatically handle all coordination and decision-making to ensure your fleet is operating at peak efficiency. EM2100 and FlowCore. The fleet management software that runs on the EM2100 is called FlowCore. With FlowCore, the EM2100 can control traffic, intelligently assign jobs, and keep track of battery power for the entire fleet. Just to give you a few examples of what it can do. You will need a license to run the FlowCore software on your EM2100. Connecting to the EM2100. The following steps assume that your EM2100 is already set up for a normal fleet of robots and you want to add an LD250 to your fleet. First, type in the EM's fleet IP address in Mobile Planner. You can see that the Fleet tab already has LD robots in the fleet. Next, we need to teach the EM what type each robot is, and separate the configuration so that the EM can control the behavior of each robot depending on its type. This step is very important to ensure the safe and successful operation of your mixed fleet. To do this, change the configuration settings in Fleet Config Management. Sections to separate. And add Robot Config. Path Planning. Docking. This will make these sections exclusive to the robot. Then click Save. Connect to the LD250 again and go to the Configuration tab. Go to Fleet Settings and Fleet Manager Connection. Enable the Connect to Fleet Manager checkbox and add the Fleet Manager's IP address in this field. Set up custom fleet queuing with an LD250 task. This will allow you to make tasks that are specific to LD250. Make a custom task and name it. For instance, 250 task. For example, you can designate tasks that require the robot to carry a larger or heavier payload that other robots can't handle to LD250. Save your configuration and wait for the LD250 to restart. Then check the Fleet tab on the EM2100. Your LD250 is now part of your mobile robot fleet. Setting up jobs specific to LD250. If there is a heavy payload waiting to be picked up at a certain location, it won't work if you sent a smaller robot there. With your LD250 connected, you can leverage the fleet management's capabilities by automatically assigning that job to the LD250 and no other. Omron's fleet management system guarantees that the right robot is always sent to handle a specific job. Once set up, robots are automatically allocated jobs in the most efficient manner. To start, we will make a goal on your existing map as LD250 specific. Connect to the EM2100 and open the Map tab. In the list of source objects of the Build subtab, find the custom task name that you created in the previous section, 250 task. Identify a goal in your map that you would like to be LD250 specific. Drag and drop this task you made in the earlier section, 250 task, into the Before This Goal section of your goal and save the map. Now, for all jobs that involve that goal, the Fleet Manager will only assign those jobs to the LD250. Next, let's create a job. Connect to the EM2100 and open the Fleet tab. Add an LD250 specific job by clicking on the Add Job button. Define the job by specifying the pickup or drop-off goal and priority. The EM will now send the LD250 specific job to the LD250 only. Congratulations! Now the LD250 is part of your fleet. You can see how you can designate specific tasks to different types of robots. Watch your fleet go to work. This concludes the video adding LD250 to your mobile robot fleet. A mixed fleet of mobile robots with different payloads and different capabilities that can autonomously handle material transportation flexibility can really help your company be flexible.